Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Vin here, and I just wanted to make this short video and telling you guys that today actually I won't be posting any vlog because I'm gonna be traveling. I'm about to leave the house right now, and I just want you guys to guess where I'm going. I won't be going for long. I'll just be going for a few days, and then I'll be coming back to Nairobi, and then yeah, we'll see the next destination, guys. I want to start off by appreciating you guys so much. Keep on supporting your boy. And for the people who are saying that I shouldn't sell the oven, actually I won't sell it. And you know, thank you for the ideas and also thoughts and encouragements, because no one is perfect in this world. And even some people are telling me, oh, save your videos, do one video a week. That's your opinion, but I won't take that because I love to challenge myself